Today we're going to be visiting the Blue Temple that is in Chiang Rai.
Yeah, we literally just got here.
Yeah, it's 10:30. It doesn't seem to be too busy on the outside, but we're about to go in. We've seen golden temples, we've seen white temples, but this is the first time seeing a blue temple.
Yeah.
So really excited to get inside and check it out. So come along with us on the journey.
The paintings are so beautiful, like I can't even describe it. It's just amazing. It's definitely worth it. I feel like the temples here in Thailand are probably one of the most beautiful temples I've seen so far from my travels.
Wow, guys, honestly, I'm never going to get tired of saying wow, because everything is literally unbelievable. I'll take my shoes off, so let me do that. Let's take a walk around this little blue shrine. So what they've done is they've used like blue and gold, and it looks so good. The colours really complement each other, and you can just see the detail they use as well on some of these temples, man. It's crazy. Mate, I love Thailand. Like, it's been such an amazing trip so far. We've seen some cool ass temples, some of the nicest colours you never think you'd even see on a building, like blue and gold. I've never seen a building that looks like this. It's absolutely incredible. The craftsmanship is amazing, man.